What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be changing up my interior in the car, mainly my pillars, these right here. I'm gonna put fabric on these, on all the gray pillars, including the back. I don't know how I'm gonna take the back ones off yet, but it should be easy. But I don't know, once I get the pillars done, I don't know what I'm going to do with the headliner, because I don't want to leave it stock. I don't like how it looks. So my friend was telling me to do black suede, but I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. I'll show you guys what I got. I went to JOANN. Went to JOANN's fabric and got what I wanted. So I got this honeycomb pattern. On the tag it says scuba hex, but I decided I'm gonna go with this pattern because of my headlights. Since I have honeycomb in them, my car's pretty dirty today. I'm gonna probably end up washing it once I'm done with this, but I wanted to go with the same design. That way it sort of all blends in inside. I'm gonna get to taking these pillars off right now. Simple. Alright guys, so I got the front pillars, the front ones off. I got the middle ones off on both sides. Now I just have these back here, and then I gotta take the door cards off so I can get this fabric off and do that. Alright guys, so I managed to get all of the top of the pillars off from inside the car. Got them all laying out right here. I think the next step is to clean them up real good and make sure that all the small debris and stuff is off of there, all the dust. That way when I spray the adhesive, it holds good. Got the adhesive right here. Got the Loctite High Performance, it's 200. Alright guys, so I wanted to make a quick little update before I finish off the video. Earlier in the video I told you that hopefully this adhesive that I used right here, I was saying hopefully this holds and that the fabric doesn't start coming off of the pillars. Well, I've been having a little bit of lifting. Sometimes it'll, well, there you go, look. If I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it is lifting a little bit right here on all the parts where there's curves, basically. Let's see. You can see there's like a little flap right here that's coming undone. I just wanted to make a little quick update so that if you guys are looking to upgrade your interior, do not buy this stuff right here. You're going to have to redo it. This is Loctite, the brand. My friend bought some 3M, which is a heavier bonding one. I'm guessing it works better than this, and this one says it's for wood, metal, acrylic, foam, fabric, polypropylene, and PVC. But don't buy that stuff. Don't buy it. Well, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't be afraid to share my videos. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.